Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to stop random Snapchat ads. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Tap on the Bitmoji icon from the top left corner. Go to the settings of Snapchat. Now scroll down and look for the See Me in Quick Ad option and tap on it. Here you will see Show Me in Quick Ad with a check icon on it. Tap on it and uncheck it. And you will stop random Snapchat ad on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you're able to stop random Snapchat ads. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.